Well, I just received this. It's a 25-foot, 10-gauge generator cord. Gives you some of the stats on it. Let's go ahead and look at this bad boy. Woo! We're not fooling around here, are we? Look at this. Oh my gosh. So this right here, I mean, 220, 222, whatever. This thing is, wow. So this you would plug right into your generator, right? And then you can plug in your, I mean, I guess you could run your electric stove, you could run your, you name it off this. It's got this handy dandy doohickey here that I can lift it up and carry it, which is nice, right? All right, let's take it out and try it on our generator. All right, so anyway, I've got a Furman. And if you come down here, you can see we've got a number of different plugs. This is the one that I would need for that, right? So we just pop this up, just like that. And let's go ahead and grab our, this thing is heavy, dudes. I mean, it's super heavy. Let's put her down here. All right. And then basically, all I have to do is just match this up. You see how this has got a little catch on it? And if you look here, you'll see that's where the catch goes. So this would go in like this, just like that, bam. All right, now we're ready to rock. Now I can just fire up the generator. I can hook this up to anything that I need to, and bam, Bob's your uncle. That's how it works. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.